Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for Hallticket Management PHP web application. So first open the XAMPP control panel, then start the Apache and MySQL. Next go to the MySQL admin. Left side you can see the backend database. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the Hallticket folder. First go to the document. This is the project full documentations. Then you can see the addressing files and source code. Next go to the readme text. Here you can see the login details and then URL link. Next copy the URL link and paste to the browser. Now we can see the Hallticket management web page. First go to the admin login. Enter the admin ID and the password. Now login successfully. Now we can see the admin homepage. Admin will be manage the department and exam halls. Then admin can assign a student and staff. And then admin will be provide the hall ticket and attendance reports. First go to the department. Here your admin can add the new departments on this page. So enter the department name. Then click on the create department. Now create successfully, and then admin will be update and delete the department list. Next go to the room. Here your admin can allocate the exam hall on this page. So enter the room number. Then click on the create room. And then admin can update and delete the room list. Next go to the add student. Here admin can assign a student and staff. So enter the student name, then email ID, then give the password and mobile number. Then give the login ID. Then select the user. Then select the department. Then give the student detail. Now create successfully. Then you can see the view student and staff IDs, and then you will search to see the IDs on this page, and then admin will be update and see the more details on this page. Next go to the attendance. Admin will be give the attendance on this page. Here you can see search the student ID. So select the department, then year, then select the section and room number. Then click on the search. Here you can see the student ID, and then admin can give the attendance. Now attendance will be updated. Next, go to the reports. Here you can see the all student attendance reports on this page, and then you will search to see the attendance reports. Next, go to the add all ticket. Admin can provide the add the all ticket on this page. So select the room number, then select the seat number, then select the department and the year. Now create successfully. Next, you can view the hall ticket reports on this page, and then we will upload the hall ticket. Click on the upload and choose the file and submit. Now upload successfully. Next, we will move for the user student login. Enter the student ID and password. Now we can see the student homepage. Go to the my attendance. Student will be see our attendance reports and download your hall ticket. Click on the download and then you can view the hall ticket, then download. That's the whole hall ticket management PHP web application.
Code shopping.